Step into a world of magic where your home comes alive with the power of the future. The Smart Home for Lights. Are you ready to discover the incredible wonders of Brilliant Lighting's smart creations? These smart lights are like no other, making your home shine brighter and smarter than ever before. Join us as we uncover the secrets of these amazing lights that will transform your home into a dazzling haven. In the realm of technological marvels, few innovations have managed to blend convenience, energy efficiency, and modern aesthetics as seamlessly as smart home lighting systems. Gone are the days of conventional lighting switches and manual adjustments. Welcome to the era where your lights adapt to your mood, schedule, and preferences with just a tap on your smartphone or a simple voice command. The future of lighting has arrived, and it's time for you to experience the joy that comes with having your environment adjusted at will. Whether it be brightening up a room or dimming down lights during movie nights, this technology offers endless possibilities in terms of convenience and comfort levels. Embrace these advancements today. Brilliant lighting companies are serious about making smart devices, and they have done a lot of work to make sure their devices are easy to set up and don't cause problems. They have passed all of the electricity tests and are certified. We're blown away. So let's take a look at some Wi-Fi connected Brilliant smart goods from a wide range of products. Since a review is all about how to set up and use something, all we will do is figure out the best way to use these gadgets. Products to illuminate your home intelligence. Number 1. Philips Hue Smart Bulb Starter Kit. Installing the Philips Hue Smart Bulb Starter Kit is remarkably straightforward. Are you tired of flipping switches on and off every time you want to? With Philips Hue Smart Bulbs, controlling your light has never been easier. Simply replace existing bulbs with the ones that suit your needs best, then connect them via Wi-Fi through a bridge. The app allows for easy setup by following simple instructions while giving users access to various features, such as remote control over color changes, scheduling options, and integration within other smart home devices seamlessly. So why wait any longer when it comes down to convenience? Upgrade today with Philips Hue's innovative technology. Number 2. LIFX Wi-Fi Connected LED Bulbs. Embracing the brilliance of LIFX Wi-Fi connected LED bulbs is a breeze. Just screw the LIFX bulbs into your existing light fixtures. Transforming your home into a smart environment has never been easier thanks to LIFX's innovative light bulbs. Simply download the app, create an account, and follow along with its straightforward instructions for connecting them up via Wi-Fi. Once connected, you'll have full control over brightness levels, color schemes, as well as scheduling options. All at your fingertips. Plus, these cutting-edge bulbs are designed specifically for compatibility with popular voice assistants like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, making integration seamless. Upgrade today. Number 3. Nanoleaf Shapes Modular Smart Light Panels. Elevate your lighting game with Nanoleaf Shapes, a masterpiece of aesthetics and technology. Unbox the modular panels and lay them out in your desired pattern. Connect the panels together and affix them to your wall using the provided adhesive strips. Plug in the Nanoleaf controller and connect it to your Wi-Fi. Download the Nanoleaf app, follow the intuitive setup process, and watch as your living space transforms into a mesmerizing canvas of light and color. With the ability to create custom scenes and animations, the Nanoleaf Shapes truly redefine how you experience lighting. Number 4. A60 RGB Plus White LED Globe, Bayonet Cap or Edison Screw. Transforming your ordinary light fixture into a vibrant spectrum of colors is easy with the A60 RGB Plus White LED Globe. You can use this RGB Plus White globe to replace an old electric light. If you connect it through Wi-Fi, you can call Google to turn it on or turn it on yourself. It saves the last setting. These are great for reading lamps, hard-to-reach places, and cutting energy use from 80 to 100 watts to 9 watts. White is set to 3000 Kelvin, which is a warm color, to avoid blue light, which is sensitive to cool colors. You don't need a dimmer switch because the light can be dimmed electronically from 0% to 100%. To install it, start by switching off the power to the existing light fixture. Depending on your preference, choose either a bayonet cap or the Edison Screw model. Screw the LED globe into the fixture just like you would with a regular bulb. Power the fixture back on and use the provided remote control or a compatible smart app to select your desired colors and lighting effects. In such a few simple steps, your living space will be bathed in dynamic, customizable illumination. Number 5. The LED RGBW 2-meter strip lighting kit. Elevate the ambience of any room with the LED RGBW 2-meter strip lighting kit. We think the price, speed, and ease of use are all great. This 2-meter LED RGB plus white self-adhesive strip caught our attention because it's one of the few that is water-resistant IP44. If you use either an oscillating fixture or a spray nozzle without a shield, water that hits the container from any direction won't hurt it. This means that as long as you don't abuse it, you can use it outside and in the bathroom. There are 3 parts: a 12-volt 2.25 ampere 15 watts AC transformer that is not IP rated and has a 1.5-meter cable that ends in a screw plug that is waterproof. If the transformer has a rain cover, then everything else can be used outside. Then it plugs into a water-resistant Wi-Fi controller block, and the 2-meter strip goes into that. It also has a 60 RGB and 60 white LEDs that can be dimmed, and it can have stock scenes or scenes that you make yourself. It could also be used as task lighting over the kitchen, workshop, laundry, or bathroom benches, as emergency lighting in halls, or even as a night light. Compared to LIFX Z strips, it can't do 2 things. It has no programmable zones, and you can't add more lengths to it. But the IP44 grade makes it up for it more than enough. To install it, begin by measuring and cutting the LED strips to your desired length. Clean the surface where you plan to install the strips thoroughly. Peel off the adhesive backing and carefully attach the strips to the surface, ensuring a secure fit. Connect the controller and power supply to the strips. Use the included remote control to set your preferred colors and lighting effects. Whether you're decorating your living room or creating a stunning backdrop, this lighting kit offers a hassle-free installation process for a dramatic lighting transformation. Number 6. Weatherproof IP68 LED RGB Garden Lighting Kit. Enhance the beauty of your outdoor space with the amazing weatherproof IP68 LED RGB Garden Lighting Kit. It has a transformer, a Wi-Fi driver, and 4 3-watt lights with spikes or screws for mounting. The lights can be linked in a daisy chain or up to 8 with a length of 2.2 meters. These are 3-watt RGB LEDs, but they don't have white. They have a 60-degree beam, so they can be used to set a scene or light a path. And 12 watts is a small amount to leave on at night or connect to a motion sensor. About 3 feet is a good throw in general. We found that by playing around with colors and lumens, you can make everything from a warm, welcoming glow to a cool, frosty blue. The only thing we don't like is that all of the heads have the same theme. It would have been nice to be able to communicate with each head separately, but putting Wi-Fi in each one would have made it much more expensive. For installation, start by identifying the locations where you want to install the lights, ensuring they're suitable for outdoor use. Dig small trenches to bury the low-voltage cables connecting the lights to the transformer. Place the weatherproof RGB LED lights in the desired spots and connect them to the cables. Plug the transformer into a weatherproof outdoor power outlet and turn it on. Use the provided remote control or a compatible app to adjust colors, brightness, and lighting effects. In no time, your garden will be a captivating oasis of color and light. What are the rules and functions of smart lights? Wi-Fi. This type of light bulb connects straight to your Wi-Fi router, so you don't need a hub or bridge. Both LIFX and TP-Link make great Wi-Fi smart bulbs, but neither comes close to Signify's Philips Hue line in terms of how deep and wide its environment is. Bluetooth. These bulbs don't use your home network at all. Instead, they connect straight to your phone or tablet. They can't be managed from outside your home because of this. Some Bluetooth lights from GE and other companies are of higher quality than others. Signify recently added Bluetooth radios to its line of Philips Hue smart lights. This means that the Philips Hue bridge is no longer needed. Getting rid of the bridge lowers the total cost of deployment, but it also adds some restrictions. Our review of the new Philips Hue lights has more information. Each of these technologies has pros and cons, so before you choose a bulb, you should try to figure out which technology is best for you. Bluetooth lights can't be connected to a larger smart home system. You can use your phone to handle more than one light bulb, but you can't link it to your sensors or other systems in your home. Don't like the idea of connecting your phone to a light bulb? Smart switch or smart bulb? There is a big debate about the best way to set up smart lights, and there are two main options. You can either buy expensive smart bulbs and control each one separately, or you can buy cheap dumb bulbs and use smart switches to control all the lights on that circuit. Both ways make sense. With smart lights, cost is the biggest problem. But there is also a lot of complexity to deal with. Most lights can be put into groups based on where they are, but this isn't as easy to use as the app that controls them. Smart switches, on the other hand, are a bit harder to install for some people who might not feel safe working with exposed wiring and would rather hire an electrician. Smart switches, for sure, will give you more options in many setups. Many people are used to flipping hardwired switches, so when they leave a room, they turn off the lights by flipping the wall switch. Once that happens, no app will be able to turn the light back on until the switch is moved back to the on position. Even though this wouldn't be a problem if you have smart switches, they can't change the color or temperature of a light. Even so, smart bulbs won't be right for everyone, no matter how smart they are. Most of these lights can't be turned down with the hardwired wall switch because that would mess up the power to the radio and make them useless. Some will not work even if there is a dimmer on the circuit and it's turned all the way up. The light from an LED bulb is probably going to be a lot better. The good news is that bulb prices are going down, making it easier to start using smart lights and less painful if you find that one doesn't work for you. Illuminate your life the intelligent way. As you embark on this journey towards a smarter home illuminated by cutting-edge technology, remember that the installation process is just the beginning. These smart lighting systems bring forth a world of possibilities, allowing you to personalize your living spaces like never before. Say goodbye to one-size-fits-all lighting and welcome an era where your lights adapt to your every mood, enhancing comfort, energy efficiency, and style. Explore the products mentioned in this video and take the first step towards a home that's not just smart, but brilliantly lit with intelligence. Let the radiance of smart lighting embrace you, making your home a beacon of modernity and innovation. If you need more information and have an idea about prices, check the links in the description below this video. Whoa, isn't the smart home for lights simply amazing? Imagine telling your lights to glow in any color you want or setting the perfect mood with a tap. Have you tried smart lights in your home? What's your favorite thing about them? Share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. Until next time, keep enjoying the magic of smart lights. See you soon!